My girlfriend wants a painting date, but you know me, I'm more into DIY projects. That's when I thought, why not turn this into something creative that we can actually build together. I decided to make a speaker and I'll build the enclosure out of MDF so we can paint on it and then I'll gift it to her. She's coming over next week, so I need to get this project done before she arrives. First, I grabbed a 12mm MDF sheet and cut it out all the pieces for the enclosure. It was a pretty messy process, but now all the pieces are ready. But the real struggle, not having proper woodworking tools. I designed these little clamps and 3D printed them. They'll be holding the pieces perfectly in place while gluing. Now everything is ready, so let's begin with the assembly. After fixing up the top piece, we need to add some weight on it to make sure everything gets glued perfectly. It's been 3 hours and the glue is completely dry. So let's remove the clamps and look at that, a perfect rectangular box without any errors. Now we can move on and add the front and back panels to finalize the enclosure. The method is same, apply enough wood glue, then place the front panel and again add some weight on top. Another 3 hours later, the enclosure is finally complete and fully dried. I also added a partition in the middle since this is going to be a stereo speaker. The back panel fits right here, and once that's in place, we'll secure it with the screws. I don't want to bore you with all the woodworking, so I made the speaker holes off camera, and with that the box is officially complete. Now it's time to move on to the drivers. I decided to go with the Peerless 3 inches full range driver. It's 4 ohm and 25 watt. Let's get them installed real quick. The speakers are in place. Now it's time for the electronics. For the amplifier, I'm using this 15+15 watt Bluetooth amp. Next we got the 4S battery pack. I'll build this one myself and it's actually pretty simple. I've added a diagram so you can make one too. For charging, I'm using barrel jack and I've added a slide switch for power on off. And since we're talking about electronics, this is a good time to mention our sponsor Altium Designer, the industry-leading PCB design software. With powerful tools and intuitive workflow, it makes designing and bringing your electronics ideas to life easier than ever. But the real game changer is Altium 365. It centralizes your component library and keeps them up to date with live supply chain data. You can access millions of parts, check availability, life cycles, and even alternatives instantly. This means fewer mistakes, faster decision making, and more reliable design from start to finish. Click the link in the description to get a free trial and 25% off. Coming back to the video, let's get all the electronics installed and finish up the speaker. Alright, finally it's done. The build actually turned out pretty good, but it doesn't look that great just yet. That's because I haven't added the front grille. I've already designed it, but since it's pretty big, I couldn't print it in one piece on my 3D printer. That's when GLC PCB comes in handy. They don't just make PCBs, they also offer a full 3D printing service. You can choose from different technologies like SLA, SLS, and even FDM depending on the part you need. And they have got wide range of materials too. PLA, ABS, resin, nylon, even flexible options. Just upload your design, pick your material, and place the order. And speaking of that, the package actually arrived in less than 5 days. It was nicely packed and the quality top notch as always. The design itself is pretty simple. It's made of 2 parts and this smaller piece will fit inside the main frame with the mesh cloth sandwiched in the middle. To assemble the grille, I placed the main frame on a flat surface, then grabbed the mesh cloth which I ordered online and laid it evenly over the frame. After that, I took the smaller piece and pressed it inside and it automatically tightened the mesh in place. Looks pretty nice already. Next, I added bit of glue so it won't come loose. After that, I trimmed off the excess material and that's it. The grill is complete and looks pretty nice. Let's quickly install it on the speaker. So the speaker is finally complete. The grill looks pretty nice and overall the build turned out great. And now we have got this blank MDF canvas on the enclosure ready to paint. Perfect for the job. The next day she came over and I surprised her with the speaker. She honestly didn't expect it at all. She loved it and of course the first thing she did was play some songs. Then we unpacked all the colors and stationery we picked up while shopping earlier today. We started painting, we laughed, we talked for hours, and in that moment I realized it wasn't just about the speaker at all. It was about being with her. Honestly, this was the best part of the whole project. She worked till late at night, so dedicated to getting every detail right. And honestly, that's what I love most about her. We had just a little time, but this is what we came up with. And honestly, I'm really happy with this. She painted it in her own style because yes, it's hers after all. Now the real moment, let's turn on and check out the sound.
Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. In the sauce, took a loss, that's your loss. Had to get my point across.
As you can hear, it's pretty loud. The vocals are crisp, clear, and there is a nice punch in the bass. If I had more time, I would have added a passive radiator to boost the low end, but honestly I'm really happy with how it turned out. That's it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.